Well, my friends, cancer, carcinoma, malignancy are the synonymous terms. A group of disease or diseases involving abnormal cell growth. Abnormal cell growth, our body maintains a normal cell division, but there is abundant cell divisions which is known as malignancy. A large number of spreads of the cells beyond the normal rules and regulations of the cell mitosis, with the potential to invade or spread to other parts of the body, like the invasion of an empire. These tumors are generally known as malignant tumors. So, there are many environmental factors. Which triggers for cancer have mainly been identified, such as contaminated food supplies cause hepatocellular carcinoma. Smoking is now established beyond all doubt as a major cause of lung cancer. Most carcinomas of the cervix, of the uterus of the females are related to infection with human papilloma virus. Breast cancer in women for far estrogen origin. So every cancer has its own origin, own root, own predisposing factors. Genetic factors are also important and related. A number of inherited cancer syndromes are recognized genetically. Now, investigations of all the cancers are very, very important. When a patient is suspected of having cancer, a full history should be taken. Attention should be paid to the potential risk factors such as smoking and occupational exposures, any family history of the cancer, and elucidating potential complications of the disease. A thorough clinical examination is essential to identify both the primary cancer site and possible sites of metastasis, and to discover any other conditions that may have bearing on the management plan. So the extent of the disease, the type of the disease, and the patient fitness are the three important factors to treat a cancer, for prognosis of cancer, for management and betterment of a cancer patient. Now the question arises, is any scope in homeopathy for the treatment of cancer, which is the burning problem throughout the whole world? Yes, homeopathy has the answer for cancer. In three ways we can tackle the diseases. Number one, primary stage, at the beginning of the stage, when the disease is spreading slowly, gradual and insidiously. So slowly, gradual and insidiously, we have enough scope. So number one, beginning stage, initial stage, prodromal stage. Number two, when there is no scope, no treatment is possible by modern medicines. The patient is going to the black hands of the cruel death, waiting for the days, we have enough scope to palliate such cases. That is called the palliative mode of treatment. To control the severe burning, severe pain, the agonizing, lancinating, excruciating pain, the patient may be relieved. It is also essential for a peaceful death. And number 3, so the beginning of a established cancer. Number 2, at the end of the cancer which is spreaded, malignancy has spreaded, the 4th stage, there is number of organ metastasized. And number 3, to prevention of cancer. There is no scope in other modes of treatment, in allopathy, in modern medicines, to prevent a cancer for the future generation. Yes, we have the scope to treat the patient, the mother, the pregnant mother, or the child from very beginning, from its inception or birth. By our constitutional anti-miasmatic treatment, we can control, we can switch over this giant malignant disease by our constitutional miasmatic treatment, either from pregnant stage of the mother or from childhood of the mother. Now see, I am showing one example of a cancer case of a gentleman aged about 72 years. That is established case of cancer, squamous cell carcinoma over the skull. I have already shown this video, and the video number is 5117, dated 1st March. And only one medicine, single medicine, I had prescribed, and lycopodium 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, with the direction of twice in a day, and the patient improved a lot. That is already diagnosed in the year 2010 as a hypertrophic actinic keratosis. It was operated in 2019 at Peerless General Hospital, and followed by homeopathic treatment by one Sam Parvez. The disease relapsed. It was once again operated from the Apollo Gringles Hospitals of Calcutta, but he was not free from the invasion. Now, by lycopodium 50 millisieverts scale of potencies, after 3 months, the patient absolute free from the scalp itching, burning, oozing, etc. Please consider this video. From the past on, this video is like that. This scalp was so much severe, suppurating, inflammation was there, and now that is totally free. Is it not a believable case for the scientific reason of homeopathy, my friends? So, some fellows who consider that homeopathy is a folk branch of science, it has no scientificity. Once again, I have shown, I have proved, yes, it is a perfect science. It is one of the branches of the science, medical science, and it has the greatest scientificity. So cancer, which was twice operated from the allopathic private hospitals, relapsed. The patient was in great annoy, distressed, totally improved. Let's see. I have already shown the case. I would like to share the utterings of the patient himself. বলুন আপনার অভিজ্ঞতা কেমন আছেন, কি বুঝলেন?
ভালোই আছি। মানে আমার যেটুকু ছিল আগে অ্যালোপ্যাথিক ওষুধ খাচ্ছিলাম বা ব্যবহার করেছিলাম, তাতে এত ভালো ছিলাম না। তবুও এখানে আছে ডাক্তারবাবু।
এখনো যাবে, এখনো পুরোপুরি যায়নি, একটুখানি কাজ আছে, সেটা আশা করি ঠিক হয়ে যাবে।
অনেকটাই
90% কিওর। আপনার ওপিনিয়ন কি? আপনি ওনার ওয়াইফ?
হ্যাঁ, এখন অনেক ভালো আছেন এবং শরীরটা খুব দুর্বল।
শরীরটা একটা খুব দুর্বল।
যাদের সিমটম আছে সেগুলো আমি আজকের ফলো আপে দেখবো। এদিকে অনেকটা ইমপ্রুভ হয়েছে, যে লোকাল সিমটমস আর গ্রেটলি ইমপ্রুভ। আই হ্যাভ শোন দিস। অ্যাডভোকেট সাহেব, আপনার এই বন্ধুস্থানীয় লোক আপনি এনেছিলেন, দিস ইজ এ ওয়ান অফ দ্য ভেরি ফেমাস অ্যাডভোকেটস অফ কলকাতা হাইকোর্ট, অ্যাডভোকেট সাত্বিক ভট্টাচার্য, and Are you satisfied, Advocate Sahib?
Yes, I am proud. I am too much proud of your efficiency and perfection.
So for the efficacious result, the advocate is also satisfied and surprised enough. And this is once again I have shown my friends the truthfulness and efficacious result of homeopathy. And we may remember once again Hahnemann's talk. Homeopathy is a divine art of healing, gifted by the gracious God to the suffering humanity. But one warning he has already given at the time, side by side, when we have to do with an art whose end is the saving of human life. So any neglect make ourselves thorough masters of it becomes a crime. So this is another success of homeopathy I have added into my YouTube channels. And let's see the result. I shall once again share this video after 3 months, my friends.